PEP cheats, teachers accused of coaching students during recent PEP mock exams. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, let's work together, JTA and Education Ministry, to discuss PEP assessments.
Home at last, stranded fishermen are finally back on Jamaican soil.
No body cam. Indicom slams police for not wearing the devices.
In our hands, Prime Minister Andrew Holness tells United Nations Jamaica building economic independence.
And in business news, not just yet. Local businesses push back on government's timeline for plastic ban.
There's also sports post commentary and weather in the Primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what is the single most important issue that concerns you now in Jamaica?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.